Laura, and I wanted to talk to you about my December daily plan. December is coming up super fast, and I think it starts tomorrow. So this is the album I'm going to be using. This is from Felicity Jane. It was one of the albums they offered last year. I got it on a really good price at the end of the year last year, so I went ahead and saved it for this year. It has 6 rings, and it comes with a set of page protectors. I bought extra because I always need more than what they give you. And so that is my album plan. It is a 6x8 album. And I'm going to be using 2 kits to kind of mix and match, give myself plenty of variety and things to choose from. So the first kit is from Felicity Jane, and it's called Holly. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. So this is the Felicity Jane Holly kit, which is their December documented kit, and there's a lot in here. And I want to show you what's in the kit and what else I'm adding to this kit for my December daily. To start with, I'm not really sure what the thought process is with these, other than just, I guess you could use them as ornaments or make a banner with them, perhaps, some home decor. But this is not something I'll probably use in my December daily. It came with 3 of these little trees in the colors of the kit. And yeah, those are pretty dimensional. They are super cute, but I will probably just pop them onto the tree or maybe make a little banner with them to put on our mantle. And then we have these super cute little houses, which I am super excited to play with. And there are some in wood veneer. 5 of them are wood veneer, and 2 of them are acrylic. So those are super, super cute, and I'm really excited to play with those. Then we have some washi tape, which has little Christmas trees on it. So that is really super cute too. And then there are lots of alphabet title options happening. We've got a mini puffy alphabet. We've got a silver sparkly glittery alphabet. We've got these puffy word stickers. And we have gold foil chipboard numbers for your December daily numbers. There are also some word phrase stickers in black this year, so those will be fun to play with as well. And then lots and lots of snowflake sequins. I'm really excited about these, actually, even though we don't get snow here very often, because I think these will be really easy to use. They're really easy to pop onto a page for embellishment, and I'm really happy about those. Then there's also these little red sequins, and they're just your typical sequins, but they're pretty cute. And we have some tags. So we have a bunch of pre-cut die cut type tags, and some of them have gold foil. I love the simple patterned ones because you can easily embellish those yourself, and I think that's a lot of fun too. And then this one that says Merry, 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 Merry. Then we have some epoxy circles. They're not super dimensional, they're kind of like epoxy flare. And I love that they're small, because on pocket pages, on 6x8 albums, you really need smaller embellishments. So I do really love the size of those. We also have these really fun felt stars. You will notice that this kit has a mix of silver and gold elements in it, which I thought was really interesting, and I have no problem with. I like to mix mine. So we have several of those. Then what came wrapped on the kit was this little ornament, this little tree ornament, and I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet. It says XO Felicity Jane 2018, and I guess you could just use it as an ornament, but I'm going to try to incorporate this somehow in my album. And then we have the pocket cards, which I love, love, love these pocket cards. So we have the most wonderful time of the year, this really nice scalloped border. We have the girl Holly and memories, December memories. We have a nice polka dot, a larger polka dot, a candy cane stripe, just a sketchy line, a really cute little tree. Oh, there's two there. A red bow, a black gingham, and 'tis the season. Then we have these really fun vellum pockets. So these are faux pockets, and what that simply means is there's no back to them. So there is already adhesive on them, and all you have to do is attach them onto your page or onto a, for the smaller ones anyway, onto perhaps a Project Life card, and you have a pocket. So you could use that for journaling or anything that you like there. There's quite a few of them here. We get 5, 3 of the smaller ones. This one has some flocking on the top, which is really cool. And then we have 2 of the larger ones, and they already have adhesive on them. So those will be fun to play with. Then we have the ephemera pack, which I didn't open up, but I'm going to hold up so you can see all the little pieces in there. Lots of fun hearts. We've got the little holly girl, some titles, tags, all of the fun things that are usually in Felicity Jane kits, and I'm excited to play with those. Not as many florals as usual though. They've replaced them with trees. And my absolute favorite part of this entire kit are these. These are cardstock dividers, and I think some of these really beg to be shaker pockets or maybe some embedded pictures. Like you could put pictures behind this one, and you could put in journaling spots. I mean, there's so many options with these, and I think that's awesome. But they also have these, which are interactive pages. You can flip out, add some hidden journaling, and it's just a fun little interactive element already done for you, which is awesome. They also have a pocket page and another of the flip out and the pocket. So I'm really excited about these and cannot wait to start playing with these. Now for the papers, I bought 2 packs of the papers because I love them. Because they're beautiful, and I am a paper heavy scrapbooker. So I'm going to just quickly show you the papers. This one is called Holly and Trees. Let me move these out of the way. And the back of that one is this beautiful black and white tree pattern. And then we have candy stripe and script. So nice candy cane stripe. And then a scripty words that says Christmas, Dear Santa, December, ho ho ho, all the fun things. And then we have stripes and wood grain. So we have a nice pink stripe. And then this gorgeous gray wood grain. Absolutely love that. Then we have diamond and plaid. So we have this beautiful green. I love this green. This is a beautiful green. It's not a deep evergreen, but it's not a neon green either. I really like this shade of green. And then on the back is this really cool sketchy look that was on that pocket card as well. And the numbers 1 through 25 on the branding strip at the bottom. Then we have loops and stars with that beautiful green. Just gorgeous. Love that. And the other side is this gorgeous black and white graphic stars. Absolutely love that one. Then we have dots and gingham. We have a red polka dot. And on the back of that one is this beautiful gingham. And then we have a very sketchy linen design. And on the back of that is called dots. Just a simple polka dot. Then we have the cardstock, which has red on one side and pink on the opposite side, and then 2 shades of green, a deeper green and a slightly lighter green at the end. These papers are gorgeous, and when you see what else I'm mixing in with this kit, it will make complete sense. So The last little thing, and probably the most fun part of opening a Felicity Jane Christmas kit, is opening the little bag of trim and extras. You don't get to see this in the sneak peek, or even when you purchase it, you don't get to see these pieces. And I just think it's an awesome little surprise, nice little surprise to include in the kit. So what do we have in here? We have some very, very cute little kind of wax papery envelopes. Those are going to be so fun to play with. I don't even know what I would put in there, but it's super cute. So we have those. And then we have, what is this? It feels like crepe paper maybe? Or tissue paper. These little tissue paper squares. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use those, so that's interesting. We have these absolutely adorable little bells. Have a whole bunch of those just kind of chilling there. Got a little bit of white twine. We've got this gorgeous red, kind of a shimmery, shaggy, how many adjectives can I come up with that start with shh? Absolutely love that. That's really, really cool. And we have some gold ribbon, just a little bit. We have some silver ribbon. We have this velvet red ribbon. We have this black velvet ribbon. We have this absolutely gorgeous, crazy, wild, what do you even call this? It reminds me of the garland, you know, so maybe it's garland. Love that. That's really, really fun. And some gold ribbon and a little bit more of that first one in white. And then this absolutely awesome tulle that has little gold stars on it. Is that not super cute? Where on earth did they find this? I don't know, but it is so cute. And lastly, a little bit of white pom-pom trim. So this is my kit. Let me pull out some of the extras that I've added to this kit, and then you'll get to see the sneaky additional kit that I've added onto this because I love options. I don't want my whole album to just be Felicity Jane. I do like to have a mix of manufacturers and designs, so I am excited to show you what else is going in this album. Okay, so here's some other things that I have to add to my Felicity Jane kit. One thing, I ordered the Kate glitter foam alphabet, which is the same as that silver alphabet in gold. Give myself more options. I picked up these 2 packs of alphas that are just gold foil, and they're nice small size from Target. They are American Crafts. And then this was the number set that came last year with the kit, and at the end of the year I picked it up for a discounted price, and I just really, really liked the wood veneer numbers. So I may flip them up, use some of these, use some of the other ones, the gold foil chipboard ones. We'll see how we go, but I wanted to have the option, so I really loved these last year. And then I'm also bringing in some of the wood veneer stars and Christmas trees, evergreen trees, that were in last year's kit. I have held on to these all year, excited to use those. And this beautiful Felicity Jane washi tape, which has some black and white roses, which matches my album. And then I brought in from Target some twine in gold and silver. And I made some DIY embellishments for a live video in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and thought I might bring some of those into my December daily as well. If you would like to see how these were made, I can do a video for them over here as well. These are just made from old Project Life cards that I've punched or cut into tag shapes and then embellished. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on that. And now for my little bonus kit. For the rest of my kit, I wanted to play with the Pink Fresh holiday vibes, and so I asked Christina at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club if she could give me the papers and a few bits and pieces from that collection and some other fun stuff to add into my kit. So she did just that. She hooked me up with, I think this is all of the papers from Pink Fresh Holiday Vibes. I love the navy. I thought that would give me a little bit of a break from the black in the Felicity Jane kit to have some blues to play with too. And this pink is very close to the pink in the Felicity Jane kit. And so that's what I thought I could probably get away with mixing them together. And also there's a lot of gray in this collection as well, which will mix nicely with Felicity Jane. So those are the papers. They're nice and thick. They're absolutely gorgeous. Yes. She also gave me Crepe Papers Merry Days printed vellum. So this is really super cute, little snow globes. And then I got these two papers from Alexandra Ranke. So this one is some snowflakes, very pretty. This one is some stars and some mixed media looking paper, so that is super cool. I think I'd rather do a layout with this one though. And then I got, I think this is from Ali Edwards, I got one of the acetate pages, 6x8, and I actually ordered some of these from Felicity Jane, some acetate pages, but they haven't come in yet, so if they come in time, I'll play with those too. If not, I can save them for next year. Then I got Ali Edwards acrylic stars, some color cast designs, wood veneer. Now I'm going to open this up because these look really, really cool. So we've got a star and a bah humbug. I'm sure I will have a picture of one of my children that illustrates that one beautifully. And a deer, and a little mistletoe, a snowflake, and cookies and milk. And then I got these wood veneer and acrylic pieces. Or are they all acrylic? They might all be acrylic actually. Let's see. Well, I think they're all the same. They're all acrylic with the sparkly gold on the other side. I love me some glitter. So that's gorgeous. And got the whole ephemera pack for holiday vibes. So, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in there. We've got giant snowflakes and little birds and tags and circles and words and all the things. So that's exciting. And then some Ali Edwards green words. Some Ali Edwards labels. The Pink Fresh Holiday Vibes puffy stickers, which are just so cute. And what's in here? Oh my goodness. Some really beautiful trims. I'm really excited to play with the trims. Got some gold stars, shimmery. We've got some silver florals, absolutely beautiful. Some black ribbon. I do love some ribbon. It has some little gold flecks in it. And then this beautiful gold, I don't know what this is, but it feels really cool. So this will be a great, huge, giant kit to play with. And yes, I expect I will have leftovers and I will just use them to make some layouts. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing for December. If you're doing a December daily, if you're doing just the December album, and what size are you doing? Because so many people are doing different sizes this year. It's very interesting to see. Thanks so much for joining me. Until next time, bye.